Hey, family and friends and cousins. Tonight we're talking about Frederick McKinney Jones. Did y'all know he invented the refrigerator? Yo, what we would done without this? Wow. He invented the refrigerator, y'all. Yes. This man. Okay, y'all. Y'all see what I'm cooking. And them beans, if it wasn't for that refrigerator, they probably wasted. Yes, y'all, we can get the refrigerator. We gotta have a refrigerator. Okay. Gotta have a refrigerator. Where you go? What is Frederick? Happy Black History Month. Y'all do y'all's research. I can't pull it back up. But Frederick McKinney Jones.